count the class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 classes. We call these classes. Okay, class size ang tawag. And since there are 11 classes, divide by 2. So that is 5.5. So I start with positive. Always start with ascending order so that you will not get lost. Because some of you are using inverted descending order. So therefore, descending din yung lahat ng data. Now take note, one of your data will be wrong, everything is wrong. So yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 3, 4, and 5. That is how the class division. Now since 11 yan, balance yan. If you will have 9, you divide by 5. Divide by 2. So you have 4.5. So, where do you start? So start with 4.
Paano if 10?
Okay? So hindi nag-round off. No round off yan. When you are finding your class division.
Tapos mo daw, what if 10?
Okay.
Ay,
You have your FDI. So you add another column now. It is FIDI. What's the meaning FIDI? You just multiply the two columns. You have 5, 8, 18, 16, 6, 0, 3, 4, 9, 16, 17, 18. Diba? Dali naman. Sakay ko niyan. Naglagyan tayo niyan. Okay. Then, you add summation. I put 1, 12, F5, yan. Ang total, ano yung total na yan? Kasi kung mali yan, mali pa rin yun. What is your FIDI? Total. Total now, calculator. Previous, anong kulang yan? Assumin. We're going to locate the assumin. Pay attention. That is, what do you know? Where to find? So the assuming should be found at the zero division and go to the class mark. Where's the zero division? You have here and go to the class mark. What is the class mark here? So you have 5.5 is your class mark. So getting the class mark, kompleto ka na. You have already your answer.
Hindi to siya pa di tayo paharap.
Ayan, notice yung table ang solution.
Pwede siya tayo. Pero ganito
Matira.
opposite.
95.5 plus or minus, what is the equivalent? 36 divided by 45 times 4. Total lahat. Mag-budget eh. May hindi ka pwede na mag-budget. Kaya natin i-budget lahat dahil hindi ba yung mag-budget. Ilan? 31. So take note that your mean has a positive value. You add. 77.81. How about the mean for negative value? You subtract because you have two signs.
Ay,
25.5 minus 2.31. 73. 19.
ano ka talaga niya? Wala ka nagsabi. Wala ka sabi.
You will have the two answers because you have positive and negative.
What do you mean positive?
Now these two answers will be basis later for you to be able to know whether it is correct or not, your solution. We'll proceed next. Your median.
May ganito.
What is median? Lower limit plus bakit answer kagad? Do not put an answer. You're not a magician. Kung magician ka, go to the circus.
Hindi man ako magician, jester man ako. Exclusively for the king.
Okay? So, hindi pwede maging magician tayo. Mga magician, ganyan si circus lang.
Jester, sir.
Sige na, baba na, kaya na yan. Yan na. Lapit tayo nagtapos. Oh.
Anong oras na?
Sige na, thank you.
Wow. 7:20. Ay,
Okay.
17. Diba sa 20?
So, the first thing that you're going to do, check also your formula again. Lower limit, the lower boundary. And number 2, the frequency at the CF column. So, where is the CF? So, wala tayong CF. Wala tayong CF. Wala ka natin.
Kasi ang interval.
CF. Ito ang minus 1
Sinabi
sa
ko sa iyo,
CF
di ba
yan.
number 10, di ba? Hindi ka talaga nila.
Start with
I'm hurt.
the lower frequency because of this cumulative.
Yes, kasi
Cumulative
talaga
means addition. So you add.
Alam ko na bakit wrong ang answer natin doon sa isa. Kasi hindi siya greater than 30 ang value.
So the total should be the same as your sample.
Kasi kapag was done, yun na yung regular way of saying.
Now, here compared to your Fm minus 1. Fm mo, that is your F. Okay. So, how to start to find this value? So, get your N over 2. That is 45 over 2. 22.5. What are you going to do with your 22.5? You go to your CF column.
23.
Locate.
23.
May 22.5 na tayo.
23 siya.
So wala. But you can find
23.
17 to 23. Then go to the class. Okay. The lower class boundary. Because this side we call this the lower class boundary, the upper class boundary. So, that is minus 0.5. You need to say
77.5.
Your MDS 77.5 plus 22.5 minus. What is your frequency? So, that is the CF column of this 17 divided by frequency which is 6.
Ano ulan?
22.5 minus 17 divided by 6.
Lakas na ulan pa.
Nakatimes 4 yan. 0.
Wala na yung class.
0.75
I wish.
times 4.
After how many
So,
like
77
days or months?
times
Nagulan.
5 plus ilan yan? 3. So,
Kasi
you
drought
have
na daw. Sina Ate Far, wala na sila
18
tubig kasi wala na ulan. Ngayon meron na sila tubig. Pero nagpagawa na sila ulan.
That is your median.
Yan ba median?
Okay. So, meaning to say, to know if this is correct, you compare to your median. So, the median is greater than mean. So, meaning that is correct, whether positive or negative. So, therefore, it will be also conclusion that the mode now will be greater of the median. So, that will become correct. If your answer on the mode is less than the median, then less than the mean, so there is something wrong with the processing of your data. Okay. What is mode? What is mode?
Medium pala yun.
What is mode?
Which mode?
What is mode? Oh,
Minus
what is mode? Yes. How often or the number of observations which are frequently occur. Okay, most frequent. So we have the mode.
No problem.
So in terms of group data, the mode is
Maganda siya, no? Kasi
Lower.
malaki yung screen pero clear pa rin.
plus
Yes. Yung stabilize siya.
FFO minus F1 over 2 of your F0 minus F1 minus F2 times I. Okay. Ngayon, since you said that the mode is the most observed frequency, so if the number of sample is less than 30, so you can figure it out right away. But in this case, this is already in the group data. Which among the frequency has the highest? 8, meaning that is where the mode lies. Then go to your plus mark. What is your plus mark? So, okay. What's your plus mark? So therefore, you start now with
You add yung XI, you
0.5
add both.
plus
82
what
plus
is the
85.
frequency? So you have
82.5.
8. The frequency preceding, which is 6 divided by 2 times 8 minus 6.
6 times minus
After,
6.
minus 6
6.
times
I.
no? 3.5 plus, what do we have here? So that is 2 over 4 times 4. So you have 85 point as your.
Yun ba answer ko?
Check whether that is right or not.
Hindi.
Well, check on class 77.
Yan nga.
Then
What do you
80,
mean?
85. No, it
82
is
plus 85.
same. Meaning to say,
83.5.
correct. But if this value is less than the median, there's something wrong. Where do you get your lower median? Or find your
Sir, clarify, LM is
lower
lower,
median.
lower median. 80.5.
Yes. Considering the mode, iba yung pagpag ng mode. The mode is always at the plus mark. The same as sa assuming.
Sir, hindi po.
Ha?
Lower limit, di ba naman yung 1.5?
Ano ba plus mark? 82 plus 87 plus 5, 85.
So plus mark, sir. So plus mark.
Ano ba plus mark? You add the lower plus the upper divided by 2.
Sa mode lang, sir, kami sa median plus mark.
Ah, yes.
Naman yung answer ko.
Median, quartile, basal, and percentile.
Yes. But it will vary also if that is exact. Yung exact dito yung value sa CF column. May tinitingnan din tayo dahil kung exact siya, so hindi na natin kinukuha
Yung
yung
lower boundary.
minus 0.5.
Ah, okay.
Except for example, this is 22. Exacto siya. Direkta na. Okay?
Yung lower limit po, sir, yung limit if ever exact.
Plus mark pa rin.
Plus mark. Then, sir, pag if yung code po, sir, is more than 1, example, 8 po, tapos dalawa po yung 8, yung occurrence.
So you have to check saan ba dito tumatakbo yung
So you have to solve for the two.
kaya ano tinitingnan mo. Kaya nga sabi ko, itong plus and minus, sinusunod mo, for you to have your right So meaning to say, kung ito, malaki, lumihit ito, dapat maliit din yun.
Sabi kay Ate
Sir,
Farman.
bakit, sir, yung BI, sir, di ba, yung classes dapat po odd siya para may number sa gitna? What if
Bakit po, sabi ko nga, 11 plus, divide by 2. So
Sir, dapat po
5.5.
even.
Even.
O mag-even, o 8 divide by 2 is 34.
Wait lang.
It does not mean, kaya class size lang siya. Bibilangin mo, divide into 2. Where to start with.
So, hindi siya required na over 0, pag under 0 equal. So, like, pwede siya 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then negative 1, negative 2, negative 3.
Pwede siya magiging negative 1 dito lang, negative 1 If your class size is 7, so start with 3, and with negative 3.
So, pag even, sir, pwede siya apat na positives na o 0 then 3 negatives.
Even, kasi iipaman din siya. Hindi lang ito, kung natin lahat ng class.
Saan ka muna?
Gamit mo.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
So, dapat 9, 6, 6, 5, 1, 0,
Whether or not gagamitin mo overrated or class mark.
Saan? Saan?
Kasi sabi ko kanina sir, may tinitingnan tayo kapag paghanap tayo ng
Dito, nasa, kapag nagtatanong mo, the highest value, alam mo na yung value. Okay, banyan ko.
Mali ko.
Ay, gano'n.
Ano, ayun yun naman pa eh.
Yung dalawa, let's say, 8 dito, may 8 dito sa taas. So, kung dito siya, both answers are correct. Pero, nag-check yan dyan dito rin sa answer mo dito. Then, we don't need yan.
That's useless.
Sabi ko nga kanina,
Copy mo dyan.
kung ito maliit, ito lumaki, dapat lumaki. Pag ito maliit, dapat maliit ito, maliit din yan.
Yan.
Pero dapat sir, lagyan mo class mark dyan sa ano, sa
Saan?
formula.
Magpasarap yan, ikaw naman maglagay sa notes mo.
So, class mark talaga pag mode, sir.
Oo, kasi sila pumisan na to. Mamaya, magigulang na to. Saan yung konso?
May YouTube channel na siya.
Okay, what is the next is quartile.
Ano yung answer ko?
Third,
Yung ginawa ko sa baba.
quartile.
Kaya pala, hindi mo ganito answer ko.
Quartile means division of the data into 4 equal parts. The first quartile is 25%. The second quartile is equal to the median, 50%. The third quartile is equal to 75%. Okay, the third quartile is nila your 3 equals to L2 3 plus L3 over 4 minus the frequency of the class cumulative frequency and efficiency of the
Mahulog talaga ito rin. Kuyo.
quartile. So,
Yung ganun, no?
Yes.
Dito.
L3 over 4. So, you have 45 times 3 over 4. That's the value. Then kayo mag-start because without that, hindi na naman ninyo ma-buwa. Kaya success, itong table nyo yung nag-solution. Yung pagsusolve, dyan lang yan kinukuha lahat. Kung hindi yung tama yan, pwede rin matama yung formula nyo. Ano? Hindi pa yun. 33.75. Anong gagawin mo sa 33.75?
Maghanap ko.
Locate again. Locate here. Hindi sa 33. Then, go to your lower. Your 3 now is equals to 55.5 plus 33.75 minus 31 over frequency. That is frequency 6, 4. That's it. People then, back it up. Don't compute. Ito, tama na yan. Huwag naman yun. Nag-iir ba? May iir wala?
Amin na sir, pwede na natin.
Liban.
Medyo man. Sige lang, pila yan. Ano, baba niya yan. Ha? 1 point?
Solar only.
83. Yan mo yan.
It's okay pa
Hindi.
yun. Kasi may solar. If ever nalala.
7 point
Malubot mo.
26.
Diba, ano masasabi?
At
Pero,
23.
like, wala pa 1 minute, mag-close up.
I-live mo
The
siya.
quartile is 83. 97. Meaning to say, Q3 falls here.
Wala.
Q2 is
Wait, ako. Calculator ko na kasi i-budget.
where you're M2.
Tapos hindi alam ng picture ko.
Median or that is your
Mabili siya
Q2.
tricks. Tapos hindi ko magawa.
Next, the decide. 65 decide. The decide is maybe 6.5 equals to 17. Okay. Plus NK over
Ako
10.
talaga yan ang daan.
Same formula lang yan. How we get the median. Get also NK over 10. So you have 45 times 3 over 10. So what do you have?
Same.
Huh? 13? Okay, 13.5. You take 13.5. That is found here. So, you have 69.
May pina-answer siya, Desa?
Plus
Ano?
minus
Easy.
12
Ay, siya.
over 3.
May pina-answer siya, Desa? Oo. Ay, eh. Oo.
Give me the value.
Nag-ask pa nga yung answer kasi.
Wala ko nakita.
Percentile.
Percentile lang nakita ko.
Plus 2. So you have 71 as your 6.5. You're not meant to be 21, still 15, 6.5.
Ay, 9 lang kasi.
Question.
18.
Then,
Pwede yan, mag-input table na.
375.
Pwede yan. Pwede.
That is percentile.
Ay, shit ba yan?
375.
Menu sa top. Hindi, iba yung dati. Iba din yun.
Over
Shit, wala
100.
din menu. Ay, wala. Meron yun, yung parang table. Hindi, yung isa. Yung parang picture siya.
Get now NK over 100. So you have 45 times 75. Ilan siya? 33.75. We have 33.75. Therefore, 375
Ano yung FX?
equals to 85.5 plus 33.75 minus 31 over 6 times 1. So, we will have 87.33. Bakit the same yung P75? That is equals to Q3. Bakit pareho siya? Because Q3 is 75% and that is 75%.
So sir, kapag ang median P50 and Q2 is equal to equivalent.
Standard deviation.
Standardization.
Uy, pagkawa ko na siya doon. Talaga nakita.
Apa lagi formula?
Parehas lang yun, sir.
Wala.
Using sa lagay ka ng FIDI ko. Yung tinuro mo sa akin,
Ano ba yung nilagay niya? Ulit niya.
same lang yan. FIDI ko. Square.
Mga relation.
Okay, so that is your standard deviation. So again, do we have FIDI from the table?
No.
We have only FIDI. Wala tayong square.
Squared. Yeah.
So, lahat.
No.
Lagyan ko niya. Bakit naging DI siya? Square. Dahil, simultiply yung DI to FIDI, kaya na FIDI square. 5.
DI squared yun. DI lang ang squared.
I think. Akala ka rin po.
That is your FIDI. Then, you sum it up.
Gusto mo ito makita like over ang saturation.
What?
Over ang saturation.
Total mo.
Oh.
Uy, grabe din. Kanina ganito talaga?
Ay, oo, hindi ko.
Magalan niyo ba? Ganyan sana.
Ba't ba lumita?
Gagi ka ba? Ito.
4. 106. 406. Ha? Okay, substitute now. I have 4 times the square root
Wala,
of
wala.
406 over 45 minus. Ano square? Pwede na ako. Tingnan mo. DI times FIDI. So FI. Ha? Ilan mo?
784.
Bakit na rin mo yung Ha? Tingnan mo. DI times FIDI. FIDI. 5 times FIDI. 4 times 28.
Mali yung ginawa nila. DI ang square. DI, 5 times 5 is equals to 25. 4 times 28 is equals to 112. 3 times 18 is 54.
Ah, sorry, this is not 3.
Yung squared is ang DI lang. Kasi you added by the number.
Manito dito.
Wait, so,
6.5 yan.
ewan ko bakit yung FIDI ang dapat FI. DI times FID.
Ayan na.
Hindi pwede. Kasi different ang ano ko. Look. Ang FIDI, kinuha yan by calculate, by multiplying the 1 times 5. Pero you get the FIDI squared by multiplying the DI and the FIDI. So, yung 5 times 5 lang yun yung same. Pero you go down, you see 4 times 28 is equals to 112. So, bale, dapat FIDI times DI. No, FIDI times DI.
Ayun na, parang ba't ganito? Kasi misleading yung formula.
Pero mathematically, mag-make sense yan.
29.
Dati lang yun.
Summer 29. Dito siya.
Ikaw lang, ay, hindi pala.
Hindi, ginawa ko sa isa. Yung October, yung square. Idea yun.
So, 81.
Madami mo rin. Kung hindi erase, wala pa akong
Ano?
nakapicture. I won't accept
Wala.
anything.
23.
Dapat nagturo muna sa
The value. Ayun na yung mag-compute.
confirmatory test. Take a confirm para
Zero, 0.34. 4 times, we subtract. This is for the rest. Kailangan kung mag-isyan kayo ng problema. 8 point,
ang pala
16.
26 square, di ba? Yung ganito, hindi mo na need
Tama yan?
mag-table.
Square root.
So yun ang shortcut.
5.
Ako na dasal, tapos yung dasal is 81.5? 0, 0, 0.